Hi there and welcome to Cooking with Saucy Shawn's Fine Eats, where we make real food for real people. Today, in honor of Pie Day, we've created a video series about pies. Ha, go figure. Pie Day, March 14th, 3/14. So we've created this series about making pies because it's Pie Day. So what we've done is we've created a video to show you how to make a pie crust. Then we made a bumbleberry pie from frozen berries. We've made a peanut butter pie, which is a no-bake pie. Really going to be good, I think. A meat pie and a cottage pie. Cottage pie is like a shepherd's pie, but doesn't use lamb. I use beef. We're going to be trying all these out and seeing how they turn out. Watch my other videos to see how to make them. And remember this, if you don't think you can make a pie, watch my videos. Because if I can do it, and if I can do it in front of my 2 or 3 viewers and make the mistakes I make and continue doing it, then you can make a pie. It's that easy. It's not hard to do. All you have to do is practice a little bit and you can make pies. If you like these videos, please go to YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Facebook, like the videos, thumbs up the videos, do all that stuff that helps me create more videos for you. Thank you for giving me your time, and feel free to check out the contact info on YouTube and Facebook, and if you have any questions, you can go to my website and email me, or you can message me on Facebook. You can do all that fun contact stuff, and I'll do my best to answer your questions. In the coming weeks, all the recipes are going to be on our website. Just had a bit of trouble with the website this week. Didn't go quite as smoothly as we planned. I think I've got a plan now, but didn't want to delay these videos any longer. Have a great Pie Day. Come back and see Saucy Shawn some more.